Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you meet the prerequisites, become a CEO or VIP and have funds available. Open your phone, go to internet, then Dynasty 8 Executive to browse office listings. Once there, compare locations and perks, storage size, interior, and location matter for missions and resale. Make your selection and click Purchase. You can preview interiors and see the final sale price. Make sure to note which upgrades you want, because finalizing the purchase commits your current office sale and triggers asset transfer prompts. Once you've chosen an office, you'll be prompted to pick upgrades like decor, security, and storage. Confirm whether you want to sell your existing office. The game shows the sell value and any asset consequences. After purchase, transfer garage vehicles and personal storage. Make sure to move vehicles into the new office garage or a separate facility to avoid loss. If you rely on a vehicle warehouse or MC businesses, plan the timing so missions and stock transfers aren't interrupted by the move. After purchase, go straight to the new office to claim CEO status, set up your associates, and confirm storage contents. If anything looks missing, vehicles, wardrobe, or office items, first switch sessions or log out and back in. The server often needs a refresh to sync assets. If money or items seem incorrectly deducted, check your Maze Bank transaction history and contact Rockstar support only after verifying in-game logs. This one quick check fixes most move hiccups without heavy troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.